Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I've got quite a big job I want to get done today on my Renault Traffic. It's a 2004 in red, but it's faded like mad. So what I'll do is I'll just quickly flick this camera around for you guys to see. Alright, so I'll just quickly give you guys a walk around of my van so I can show you how bad the fading is. The bonnet there you can see, and the bumper is really bad. So yeah, we'll get that back up to the standard it should be. Moving round, the whole side of the van is completely faded. Yes, all this dull trim down the bottom, I'll get all that back to how it should be. The rear lights and everything's pretty good condition. It's just a lot of paint splats because this is an ex-painter's van. So this is going to be quite a task, I think. It's getting all that off the trim, all this paint off the door. And this side's exactly the same as the other one, to be honest. Again with the lettering, dull trim. The only thing it is fairly new is these wheel trims that I've just recently put on. So they're genuine Renault Traffic wheel trims, and the wind deflectors there on the window. Other than that, it just needs a bloody good polish, bit of TLC. Overall, the van's pretty good condition, to be fair, for 2004. So now you've seen the van, I think what I'll do is I'll start to jet wash the van now to get the bodywork clean, and then I will start using my DA polisher to get this bodywork back up to standard. Okay, so this is my kit that I've got to use, my DA polishing kit. We're going to start with the cutting pad. So it's just going to eat quite hard into the bodywork. That should help get rid of that faded red look. And then we'll move on to the medium coarse pad, and then there's a fine one. But yeah, this is a very good bit of kit, to be fair. Used this many times on my RX-7 and other vehicles. So yeah, we'll get straight on with using this pad first, like I said, and then we'll move on to the medium.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby, have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to grey as you fade away, as you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue